Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to send ACH payment Chase Bank. Sending ACH payments through Chase is a fast and reliable option for one-time or recurring business transaction. To get started, you must be enrolled in Chase Business Online, as ACH payment services are managed directly through this platform. After signing in, select Pay and Transfer from the top menu, then choose ACH payment services from the navigation options. If prompted, provide any additional details required to complete enrollment and accept the legal agreement, then confirm your billing account. Once activation is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. From there, you can begin adding payees, schedule single or repeating payments, and manage transfers that typically settle as soon as the next business days. This setup makes ACH payments through Chase efficient, flexible, and easy to manage in one place. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.